Respect is something I was brought up to hold in the highest of regards. Earned, not given. And it's no secret that before we even stood toe to toe in that ring, Mark, I held you in the highest of regards. But it's very clear to me from your words that there is a distinct lack of respect for me, for this title, and for every drop of blood I have spilt for it. A lot of things have changed in a year. You might be hungrier than you've ever been. You might be the baddest motherfucker on this planet. And last year, yeah, you tore my leg to shreds and I tapped out. But you didn't get that victory alone, did you? So from where I stand, you took that victory like a little bitch. So October 12th, Mark Haskins versus TJ Charles. One more time, but this time it's for the absolute championship. And you better bring everything that you have. You better be prepared to rip this from my corpse. Because a lot of people have come up and they have all come crumbling down, dropped on their fucking necks.